Bracelety's Hiccups. Ah, what a nice day it is. What a day. Oh no! I got the hiccups. Oh, hi, Bracelet. What's wrong? Well, as a sea petal, I have the hiccups. Ups. Oh, I know how to cure hiccup. Ups. Hold your breath and count to 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did it work? Hit! 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 No, that didn't work. Oh. Well, hi, Bracelety. Hi, Bracelety. What happened to you? I have the hiccups. Oh my god. Oh, my bubble blower. Well, I know how to cure hiccups, Bracelety. You stand on your head. Oh, okay, I'll try it. I think it's working. No, that didn't work. Oh, hi, Bracelety. Oh, hi, Matt. Whoa, what's going on, Bracelety? Matt, I have the hiccup. Oh, I know how to cure hiccups. You do? Yeah. Whenever I get hiccups, I blow them into a paper bag. Try that. Okay, I got one. Okay, I think that's good. Oh no! Uh-oh. Bracelety, stop blowing into the bag! Pop! Ow, fiddlesticks. Ah! Ow! Are you okay, Bracelety? Yeah, I'm okay. No, that didn't work. Oh, hi, Bracelety. It's a lovely day, isn't it? Yeah, Buck, it's a lovely, lovely day. I think it's just lovely. I think you have hiccups, Bracelety. Yeah, I do. I've had them all day. I can't get rid of them. Well, I can always give you a bear hug. That'll work. Okay. You see? A good bear hug. Thanks, Buck. No. Oh, no. That didn't work. What? But I thought a bear hug always works. Well, maybe it's because you're not a bear. Oh, how am I going to get rid of these hiccups? Maybe Ruby knows some ideas. I'll go to her. Hey, Ruby. Oh, hi, Bracelety. What's up? I have the hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Oh, I know how to cure them. You do? Yeah. Whenever I get hiccups, I drink a glass of water from the wrong side. You try it. Oh, okay. They're gone. Well done, Bracelety. Oh, no. Oh, hey guys, let's try some more ideas. Okay. And so, we've tried everything, but Braceleti's still hiccuping. Oh, please go away! I tried everything. How's the hiccups going, Bracelety? High school. I can't get rid of. Hey, wait a minute! They're gone! Yay, hiccups are gone! Thanks so much. The hiccups, guys. You're welcome, right?